I think being a distributor, there are no special services which a person can offer to the client. Normal providing them with summary of their investments and all those things are available with softwares. So that is always provided by almost everybody. So I cannot say anything special about that. But I always request my clients to don't seek the returns at the cost of your peace of mind. So if you are not convinced about the investments in mutual funds, please wait for some time, get convinced, understand more about it, and then only invest in mutual fund. That is the basic first advice which I give to all my clients. And the advantage of this advice is that when I get a client, it is a sticky client. They generally don't go out, don't go away. They don't switch from distributor to distributor and scheme to scheme as well. Certifications are very important because they help you to gather the knowledge in a structured manner by reading, hearing, listening to different meetings and hearing different articles in the different periodicals. Also, give you a good vision, a good understanding. But the certifications always provide you all these things together in a structured manner, like and compiled in a certain fixed time period. So that gives a better advantage. And the industry is being so dynamic, it is changing every day. There are new things being introduced every day. So it is necessary to upgrade oneself to remain relevant in the industry. So I thought it is better to go for this certification from the point. I'm too small a player to say that this should be changed, something which should be changed in the industry. But what I sincerely feel, the regulator as well as the AMFI-like institutions, they are after the distributors, small distributors especially, with the kind of regulations. I mean, I always felt threatened. Although I'm not indulging into any malpractices like in the wrong advice or suggesting some wrong schemes to my clients, but still they are so stiff that कुछ भी थोड़ी भी गलती हो जाएगा तो client is the responsible. I mean, the investment advisor is responsible for that. So this attitude should be changed. Yeah. So better in this our current finance minister, what is it? कहाँ से? Vishwas, some settlement of the old tax claims. She said that it is better to have some faith in the system rather than having doubts everything. Right. So I like if that can be changed, but I'm not sure whether I'm competent to share my thoughts about that. As I said in the beginning, always be sure what you are doing. Unless you understand, don't start investing into mutual funds. The comfort zone of your mind is very important. Try to change it from fixed returns to mutual funds because they are more rewarding, more flexible, more tax efficient. But if you are not sure about that, if you don't have adequate knowledge, please have some faith in your advisor, and then only you can start your journey into mutual fund, investment of mutual funds. Yes, that is a big trend which is coming out. Many companies are coming out with robo-advisory, and definitely it will be a distortion in the business because Indian people are always very cost conscious. If you get something at lower cost, people always prefer that. So that way, robo-advisory may be helpful, but investor also should understand his real requirements from the advisor, what he needs from the advisor. Whether he needs time-to-time advisory, one-to-one meetings, or some personal healing touch or personal helping touch. So in that case, robo-advisory cannot be helpful. It can be only if a client is looking only for the transactions purpose, then robo-advisory can definitely change the picture. only one thing: step in the shoes of the investor. What is his current status? What is his understanding about the markets? What he actually needs? What are his goals? And what resources he has to achieve those goals? And based on that, give him advice as best possibility. That's the only way I think there can be a trust builder.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.